Tonight, Washington lawmakers are blasting President Biden, urging him to stop what many consider an attack on sick workers at the Hanford nuclear reservation. King 5 investigator Susanna Frame broke this story this afternoon on king5.com. She joins us live from the newsroom with the very latest. Susanna.
Mark, over 60 legislators signed this letter. It was written to President Biden. They were urging him to withdraw the DOJ's appeal to the Supreme Court. The Biden administration is taking up a Trump-era legal challenge that would strike down a state law aimed at helping sick Hanford workers get the medical help and benefits that they need. This is the third time the federal government has tried to take this help away from workers who get sick at Hanford. The DOJ lost appeals twice under Trump. Now the Biden administration is taking a final stab at dismantling the state law passed in 2018. Lawmakers wrote to Biden today saying before their law, Hanford workers couldn't get their worker comp claims approved, and that those exposed to toxins at the site and then getting sick with diseases such as occupational asthma, cancer, and occupational dementia needed this help. This kind of letter is an unusual move for our legislature.
I cannot recall ever having a letter go to the president that had 65 legislators from both parties and both chambers signing on. I don't recall ever seeing that, and I've been around for a while.
Senator Kaiser says, having that many people sign off from both sides of the aisle to a letter to the president should send a message to how important our state is taking this fight. And they're in company with the Attorney General, also urging the Biden administration, as well as Hanford advocates, sick workers, and their family, who say this is unjust and that the DOJ should drop this appeal. I'm Susanna Frame reporting live in the newsroom.